Hello and welcome to another Solos feature demo. This is Al Haddad, the developer for it, for the Solo theme. In this video, I want to talk about the setting page. What's in the setting page? The setting page, I print an info. Here, if you see here, I'm giving a little bit definition about the regions, and if you click on it, it would take you to whatever region where is that place I'm talking about it exactly. So you click and you go there, and then this is the structure, this is the region, that's the area I'm talking about. So if I go back, this is the setting page. The setting page, I try to make it more friendly and more kind of in a category or something. So any region has nested regions. I applied they have the green color. So page wrapper, this is the parent region, which has the green color. And you have top container, it has nested regions, which also three. So green, 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 green. So whenever you see the purple, it's very much, these are the default. You have orange and red. This is I give red, which is just like, because it's the setting inside this global site section. It's very sensitive, and it's a lot of things. So that's why I give it the color. The orange, it's for the predefined theme, which definitely highly recommended. Please check. You have 50 predefined color scheme you can choose and apply, and you can update. I just wanted to give you a little bit about the setting and how did I think of it. Thank you, and see you in the next one.